Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to use an impact wrench like a pro. Whether you're fixing up your car or tackling some heavy-duty projects around the house, this tool is a game changer. So let's dive right in. First off, safety first. Always wear safety goggles and gloves when operating an impact wrench. Trust me, you don't want any flying debris messing up your day. Now, let's talk about the basics. An impact wrench is designed for high torque applications. It's perfect for loosening and tightening nuts and bolts that would be a nightmare with a regular wrench. Here's a pro tip: make sure your sockets are impact rated. Regular sockets can crack under the high torque, and that's definitely not what you want. Alright, time to get hands-on. First, attach your impact rated socket to the wrench. Make sure it's securely in place. Next, align the socket with the bolt or nut you're working on. Hold the wrench firmly with both hands and press the trigger. The impact wrench will do the hard work for you. Now, when tightening bolts, don't overdo it. The high torque can easily strip threads or even break the bolt. A few short bursts should get the job done. For stubborn bolts that won't budge, use penetrating oil. Spray it on, wait a few minutes, and then try again. This trick works wonders. And there you have it. Using an impact wrench is all about letting the tool do the heavy lifting while you stay in control. Remember these tips, and you'll be breezing through your projects in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY tips and tricks.